So I was hoping to give you guys a video update today with the engine and transmission bolted together and me proclaiming victory and all that stuff. But in my quest to trial fit everything before I put it in the car and then swear later, look at this. My new torque converter, or rebuilt torque converter. Look at that. I didn't do that. That's the way it's threaded. It's threaded on an angle. Look at that. I would have been giving myself fits in the car trying to get that thing in. So I'm going to try to straighten it out. I don't know how successful I will be. I bought this probably 6 months ago or more, and I doubt they're open today, but if this doesn't go smoothly and easily, I will give them a call and try to replace it. But look at that guy, huh? And again, I didn't cross thread that. The threads are fine. It's just crooked. What the hell? So stay tuned for an update on this one. Just in case anyone doubted me that I didn't cross thread that bolt in there. See if I can zoom in. See? Threads are fine. They're just crooked. Son of a gun. All right, let's see what we can do. Well, that went a little easier than I thought it would. I thought for sure I'd be cursing. I'd have broke a tap off. I'd have to send the converter back, drill it oversize, blah, blah, blah. Instead, the tap bit in pretty well. I kept it straight and it straightened it right out. It goes in by hand. It's a little loose, first couple threads. And once you get down a little further, it tightens right up. No worse than the other two. And it's straight now. Look at that guy, huh? Straight in every plane. I don't know what the hell happened. I don't get it, but you know, it gets real tight down the bottom, so that should be fine. I put a mark on it, so once it's bolted to the engine and I have to you know, put these in with a minimum amount of space, I know which one to be gentle with. Maybe put a little Loctite on it just to make sure. I mean, it's, again, it tightens right up. Yeah, it's pretty good there, so. Weird. I guess the lesson here is what I keep saying. Test fit everything. If that was in the car, what are you gonna do then? To split the motor and tranny in the car is almost impossible. I don't feel like pulling this thing back out again. Just test fit everything, guys. If you learn anything from my videos, test fit everything. Do yourself a favor. If you have the opportunity, test fit it. It saves you a shitload of cursing later. Trust me. I curse enough. I don't need any other reasons to do it. So there you go. Lesson for the day. Test fit everything. Trial fit everything. Just think about how mad you're going to be later when you go, geez, it was right in front of me. It's never going to be easier than now. So there you go. Merry Christmas a day late. So let's get going and get this thing back together again. And here's my gratuitous engine and tranny right next to each other, almost ready to go with together shot. So it's coming together now. Talk to you later.